Drac, I said in Faerie, as Tati's borrowed words came to an end. I felt a tingle in my hand, followed by a thin, jagged arc of electricity that sizzled, barely visible between my fingers. The weak threads of energy soon faded away, along with the intricately designed words that Tati had applied to my hand. An almost inaudible clap of thunder rumbled overhead, its pitch so low that I could feel my chest vibrate despite the distance. I shook my hands in an attempt to get rid of the lingering sensation of pins and needles, then spoke the apparently magic word in Faerie again. There was no repeated rumble of thunder, and not so much as a flicker of another electric display. The only thing that had changed was the sky overhead. While it had been little more than overcast a few moments before, it now boiled with dark, malicious-looking clouds. It was something, to be sure, but a far cry from the blast of lightning that I'd been looking for. I frowned, confused and disappointed. I was a practical man who valued tools I could use. The sight of the clouds churning at my will and sparks of electricity on my fingertips was a far cry from the promised lightning bolt. Lightning bolts could smite foes in ways that a rifle never could. What I produced, however, seemed like little more than a cheap trick, barely even a weapon. A Fae taser, at best. I looked at Tati and froze when I saw her face. Where I had been disappointed, Tati looked shocked. "That," she said, her mouth open and eyes wide, "is new." "What just happened?" I asked. "I think you called down a lightning bolt," replied Tati. I looked around the parking garage again and tilted my head to the side. "Where'd it land?" I asked. "Don't quote me on this," said Tati, "but my guess is somewhere in Faerie." "Is that a bad thing?" I asked. "For us?" said Tati. "Probably not, but I wouldn't want to be standing wherever it hit."